Oh, okay. That's
Right.
flashing.
So takeoff number 2. First one was unsuccessful. Might be a lot of weight on the airplane, all the duct tape and stuff. This thing looks like it's out to the Terminator. But
Oh. Did you see that lightning?
yeah.
Man, Johnny, you're doing pretty well for that dilapidated, hope I lost it. There it is.
I gotta chase that bird. Come here, bird.
Uh-oh. He's gonna chase the bird. Uh-oh, that bird's probably thinking, get away from me, you red thing, you.
Oh, it's not being too bad.
Oh, he's doing really good. Oh. There you go. How long will this usually stay up, Johnny? Oh, he's going all around it. I lost it again. Sorry about this. Getting mosquito bites. Yeah. Is it going to come in for a landing?
I'm gonna try.
Uh-oh. I don't know, Johnny, you're making me dizzy.